Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. And I have a grocery haul for you today, and this is from last Friday, January 20th, and it was in our local Supervalu, and I thought I would lay everything out and share it with you. We got a few nice bargains, so you might find it interesting. Thank you for joining me. Because we like to have soup on a Wednesday to try and do a little bit of fasting. My regulars will know that Wednesdays and Fridays we fast from meat. Fridays we have fish, generally some fish dish, and Wednesdays I try and keep it simple and keep it vegetarian. So to keep going here, I have some organic carrots, which are also Supervalu brand peppers. I'll keep going with the fruit and the veg. So we have a cucumber, which is also Supervalu brand. I probably just won't keep saying Supervalu brand. We have our little bag of Clement Gold. The kids love them. I can't keep enough of them in the house, but if you buy too many packs, they start to go off. So I'll just refresh again after the weekend. I have my cherry tomatoes or tomatoes, whatever your preference is. I got 3 little packs of those. And bananas. And these are organic fair trade bananas, which are also Supervalu brand. So that's, and mushrooms. What else? There's something else hiding in here. So I have some kiwis, celery, and garlic bulbs, and a pack of baby potatoes in there as well. And they look nice. Grapes. I got 2 packs of the red grapes because the green ones there was a shorter date on them. I was afraid to get them in case they start going off. So those are red seedless grapes. So that is it for the fruit and veg. Now I'll move on to some dairy. So this is the milk that I get, and there's 3 litres in it. And I usually get 2 of the green and 2 of the red, and the red is the whole milk and then the green is the light milk, so we kind of switch between both. So I have 2 of those and I have 2 of those. Then we have some, what do we go to next? Mozzarella. I am hoping to make homemade pizza in the next week, so I have mozzarella for that, and I think I spotted it there, and I have pepperoni as well. We love homemade pepperoni cheesy pizzas. Hiding in here, we have some hummus, which is very reasonable at the moment. And we have our 12 Irish free-range eggs. And we've got a big block of red and white cheddar. We have 1 little thing of cream if we want it for the soup, which I probably will. I'll probably put that in the soup. I'll move over here now. Oh yeah, we've got Irish creamery butter. A lot of people go for the Dairy Gold or the Kerrygold butter, but this is cheaper and I find it's the exact same. So I go for that one. And again, it's Supervalu brand, of course. Now we have a jar of strawberry jam in there. Some breadsticks that the kids like to have with their lunches. And they'll have the hummus with that. Well, 2 out of 3 will. These were on offer, these coffee sachets. So I have latte and cappuccino, and I got 2 of both because they were practically half price. These were on offer as well, the enchilada kit. So they were €3 each, and I got 2 of those. And then Supervalu have brought in this new product line. It's the fajita meal kit, and we had it this week. Actually, we just had it yesterday, so I've got another one to have in the pantry. For the pantry as well, some tins of tomatoes. Those are the really cheap Supervalu ones. They're about 40 cents or something. I'll check it. I'm going to put a screenshot of the receipt on at the end of the video, okay? I have 2 coconut milks for the pantry and 2 pasta sauces for the pantry as well, and a soy sauce for pantry. Did I say I have the spread as well, the Supervalu spread? Our kids have started using the butter an awful lot more for their bread, but I still like to have a spread on hand for handiness sake. So I will get these off the table, and there's a few more bits to show you now in a moment. And now I'm back with the second lot. So here we have some frozen prawns, which I'm defrosting at the moment because I'm going to make scampi and homemade chips for dinner today. Today's Friday, so that's going to be our fish dish. Now we got a surprise at the shop because this strip loin steak for roasting was on offer. It was half price. So you can see that one is $15.61. So that would have been like 31 something. 31.20. And this one is 14.39. So that would have been like under €30. But imagine we'd never pay that for a piece of meat. So this is going to be our Sunday dinner. And we actually have a chicken in the freezer as well that we've been meaning to roast up. So we'll pop the chicken in as well. And all of this will do a few days' dinner. We might decide to freeze one of these and keep it for another time to pop in with something else in the oven, because that is going to be absolutely delicious and I'm really looking forward to it. And that will be in this week's Meals of the Week later on the week, hopefully on Wednesday or Thursday. And then we have our cooked ham. You get 2 packs for $3.99, and those are for the kids' sandwiches for at school. I found these. I didn't put them with the fruit and veg because I just found them there in the bag. I never buy chestnut mushrooms, but I got them today and I'm going to try them out. They're supposed to be delicious, so I'll have a go at doing something with them. We have our bread that'll hopefully do for most of the week, and then I'll make some bread as well. So we've got our sourdough white bloomer and sourdough wholemeal, and then this is the brown bread I get to have on hand because a couple of the kids love it, say for a supper or for a snack, and also we can have it with the soup on Wednesday. I always have a pack of rashers in because they come in handy for lots of different things, for a quick breakfast, and yeah, so they're just handy to have in. And I'll probably put a few of them on the chicken in the oven as well this weekend. These are 99¢, handy to have if we're heading off anywhere in the car, just to bring one each. And they are the Supervalu version of Snickers, and you would not know the difference in taste because they taste exactly like Snickers. The potatoes were on offer, so I got a 9-pack for €3. These Golden Wonders are a very cheap pack, very cheap brand, and I always have them just on hand as well as a treat. We have our toilet tissue. I always get that brand, and that they're very cheap. It's about €2.50 for 9. And then we started getting this orange juice because we had a not so nice surprise when we poured out our expensive orange juice a week or two ago, and it was like practically brown, and there was about 7 or 8 months left on it. So that was a waste of money, and I just said I'd try out this one. I think this was €1.19. We had it last week and it's absolutely delicious, so I got it again. I had coupons for the dishwasher granules, the Supervalu brand again, so they're cheap. Again, I'll say the prices at the end. I'll show screenshots of all the prices. These firelighters are 99¢. And then I got some tartar sauce as well to go with the scampi today. So I think that's it. That's everything for today. I'll just tell you the totals and then I'll do the screenshots. So the total of the shop was €165. And then I had some vouchers. They send us vouchers every week on the Supervalu app. And I had €28 in vouchers and then another 70¢ in coupons. So my final bill was $136.36. So we basically got our strip loin steak for free. So that's why I keep going back to Supervalu, because of the vouchers and the coupons. And also the Supervalu brand. I'm very impressed with it recently. They've brought in a lot more products on their Supervalu brand. So that's it. I keep all my viewers and subscribers in my prayers, and I wish you all a wonderful day. God bless you all. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up on the way out. It really helps my channel. Thank you so much. God bless. I'm looking forward to seeing more subscribers too, if anyone who has come to visit would like to join. you are more than welcome to become a subscriber, and I will see you soon. God bless everyone. Bye.
I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.